My name is Olympia, I'm 17, I'm just a regular suburban chick. And I am addicted to pretending to be furniture. I think it's something I've just loved doing all my life.
You might be asked about what you like to do in your free time. This could be asked in a variety of ways. When you answer, don't just give a long list of activities. You must use full grammatical sentences.
Go out with mates and stuff. Get some drink. Go to a pub or something.
What the f*** are you talking about? Was that even English?
There are lots of ways to say you like doing something, but these can sound a bit unnatural or be used incorrectly. So just start with I like, I really like, or even I love. This can then be followed by the infinitive.
Wow, you're amazing, dude.
Thanks. I like to play.
Or by verb plus ing.
I like watching you sleep. It's kind of fascinating to me.
Okie dokie.
Here are some common answers. These answers are okay, but you're not going to really impress the examiner with these simple sentences.
What'd you like?
Here are some useful phrases you can use and adapt. To be honest, I don't have a lot of free time because I'm busy working. Whenever I get the chance, I like to go for a swim in the local pool. One thing I like to do is taking my dogs for long walks. I'm usually exhausted from work, so I'm quite happy to just crash out in front of the TV. I'm a bit of a fitness freak, so I go to the gym religiously. There's nothing I love more than having a nice meal with my friends and family. Of course, if you have a slightly unusual hobby or there's something you're really passionate about, talk about that. If you have a genuine interest in something, learning the vocabulary to describe it will be fun, interesting, and useful. That's it for today's video, but there will be another video very soon. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.